Oh my God, what's going on here? The girl's just been out to the sea.
No, it isn't. Oh my God, it's so funny.
And there's oysters or whatever it is here. Open it up,
There's
Hazel.
a little one here also.
Open it up, Hazel.
See, love?
Open it. Be fast. Time is running. And this piece of...
From the sea also.
So eat it, love.
Now.
It's here.
You, come on, there's only 1 minute here. Go eat.
Ito nga taday.
This.
Ginuko.
Oh.
Eh?
Is it-
Oh my God,
It's really the best, really.
it's so good.
Okay, the man with the hat, he should also have one. Come on, do it. It's oysters. You're a fish guy. You say no to this one? The biggest oyster I ever seen.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm also sorry for you.
What about enough already? Oh, here.
Oh, then there's more for you girls. Come on, eat it.
Like what?
45 seconds, it will run out.
Oh, see, a small one here.
Hello, wait. This is unsa man ni?
Just been eating a shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp. See? Nang nagdadako ah? Nang may kuan no? See? A crab?
Come on.
I've been eating a crab. There you cut, baby.
Hi guys, magjo-joyride kami ngayon. At yan yung ni-rent namin na motor, 200 pesos, 250 pero naka-discount kami kasi si Martin mahilig yan hingi ng discount. So yun 200 pesos a day and we rented this I think for 4 days, I'm not sure. But that's it. We're gonna go joyride again in this beautiful sunny weather. My gosh.
GS first.
Huh?
GS first.
So yun, sa likod namin si Morten at si Hazel, joyride daw kami. We don't know exactly where we're going, we're just following the road. Pero mababait naman mga tao dito pag pag hindi Tagalog ng masaag. Uy. O basta pag masaag kami guys, it's so easy naman to ask question to people dito kasi mababait sila. So yan. Adventure na naman guys. With a curly hair. So yun, sa likod namin si Morten at si Hazel, joyride daw kami. We don't know exactly where we're going, we're just following the road. Pero mababait naman mga tao dito pag pag hindi Tagalog ng masaag. Uy. O basta pag masaag kami guys, it's so easy naman to ask question to people dito kasi mababait sila. So yan. Ganda. Ganda ng view guys. See? What do you think are those dong? Like fishes? Catching fishes or what? It's so nice view really. Wow. Guys, lakad-lakad muna kami guys. May nakilala kaming dito nakatira, tapos sabi niya all the way daw doon may dagat na, tapos ito daw for sale. Ang mahal naman talaga ng kayutaan, oy.
Kung buto na naon, di ba?
Kung
lalay kwarta mo.
Pero ang mahal ng kayutaan, guys. Uy, alam niyo magkano ba? 8 million daw. Pero ang laki naman. Sobrang laki. Parang sabi niya mga 2 hectares daw. Sobrang laki. Kaya lang problema, guys. Wala tayong pera. Ipon-ipon muna. Mga 10 years yata makukuha.
But then you cannot swim here. Really?
When